Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're making a really simple homemade fly trap to get rid of those leftover flies. They're still hanging out in your house before winter. All you're going to need is a little apple cider vinegar, a little bit of sugar, and some Dawn dish soap, and of course some sort of Tupperware or bowl to put it in. We're just going to start by adding in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. No measurements here, guys. Measure with your heart. Just pour in whatever. A little bit of sugar here. This is going to act as like our bait for the flies, and then the Dawn dish soap is going to create a film on top of the apple cider vinegar and sugar to kind of trap the flies. Once they get in there, they're not going to be able to fly out. It's going to keep them in there. So we're just going to start mixing that up, froth it up, get the bubbles nice and good here, and then it's really simple. You just leave it out on your counter and let the flies come to it. And you can see here, I just barely finished making it. I didn't even have my camera equipment put away, and I already was starting to catch some flies. So I hope this helps you guys get all those flies out of your house right before winter.